Here we got Sebastian from V-TAC come to booth in InterSolar Munich. So V-TAC, Sebastian have several words. We are partnered together. V-TAC representing Enershare, both home batteries, high voltage and low voltage batteries here. We will give a short introduction about those battery details.
Yep, nice to see you in this biggest fair in Europe.
Yeah.
And as our partner, we started to cooperate a few months ago. We started from the Enershare high voltage system, power core. Very well produced, very well designed product, which is, dedicated for our Deye inverters. We expected strong sales in Poland right now because product is very unique. Yeah, that's for example, as you see, touch screen, LED screen. When you see all parameters of the battery, you can set some main points, set some data by the screen. You have a stack battery which is from the pressing aluminium alloy.
Yeah, that's a very good design, very compact.
Yeah, that's I had a pleasure to mount it. It's our training center of V-TAC in Poznań. And please believe me that this is only 30 kilos heavy, one battery stack, which means that montage 15 kilowatt-hour system took me only maybe 15 minutes. The handle montage arms are included in shape battery stack, means that you don't need any screw to assemble it together. Only BMS is mounted to the battery. And what is interesting, the cooperation with the inverters are very efficiency right now. And some tests which we have done by few weeks prove that the battery is a high quality. And looking for the Enershare as a battery producer, distributor, this BID cells included inside gives a huge advantage based on other products sold by the Polish market. Then this is the high voltage system of Enershare distributed by V-TAC Poland that I want to invite all installers from Poland to the cooperation. We have the 7,500 square meters warehouse in Poznań, which means that if you order a product before midday at 12, we are able to deliver this product in 24 hours. Then, yep, this is the first from Enershare line, but which is very interesting that we are start to selling the low voltage system. And if you can, will tell me more at the low voltage battery.
Wait a minute. So this is just the first high voltage system we'll be launching soon in Poland. Actually, we have another new second generation high voltage.
Yep, okay.
This might goes to